Weather Lab. Here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, fog the main issue overnight tonight through tomorrow morning. A few showers in the mix, and boy, it stays mild. Temperatures running 15 to 20 degrees above normal for the next 3 days, but a big change coming by Thursday evening. We'll show you that in a bit as well. So let's kick it upstairs, take a look at the satellite imagery, and across the lower 48, cold in the north, more snow up there. Big storminess in the west, where it's been piling up by the feet across the Sierra Nevada up through the Cascades. And this is one of about 3 or 4 systems that's going to be impacting the west and the Intermountain West. So great news for skiers, good news for resupplying water across areas that need the water. Bad news that more vegetation will grow and the fire season that comes up in the summer is going to be worse over here. But eventually, one of these storms opens up the door for cooler air for us, and that's going to happen as we indicated late Thursday. Now on the radar satellite composite, we did have some pretty heavy showers, man. They had several inches of rain across Terrebonne Parish down toward Houma. St. Mary Parish saw a fair bit of shower activity. The rest of us, just a few spotty showers. And I think that's the way it's going to go overnight tonight as we dial up the regional Doppler radars. We got a little noise on here, but also indicating little spotty light rain showers here and there, and in between misty drizzles with that fog that's been developing across the area. Dense fog advisory back through southeast Texas, all of Acadiana, eastern Louisiana, and then all the way over to Mobile as well. So again, a real foggy situation out there tonight. And as we examine some of the traffic cams, we do notice that right around Johnston and Ambassador, the visibility there is pretty low. We'll go over to Calise Saloom and Camellia, and you're showing some pretty foggy conditions already. And this is worse than when I was driving back into work at about 8:45 this evening. Visibility was about a half mile, 3/4. This looks closer to about a 1/4 mile, so be careful out there. Of course, you can always check out the webcams on KATC.com. So as we look at the big picture, here's the fog situation. Current visibility zeroed out at Cameron, zeroed out at High Island offshore, real thick down by Intracoastal City and over to Sippermore Point, Lydia, 1.5 miles Patterson, Lafayette's down to a half mile, Abbeville a 1/4 mile, and this fog will only worsen as the night wears on through tomorrow morning. So visibilities in general down to roughly a half mile, but in spots it's going to go down to near zero. The model really not capturing the fog situation tonight, but the winds could pick up a little bit and help lift that fog somewhat. But the way it's fogging in there, I think is going to stay that way through tomorrow morning. And then a slow lift, and by the coast is going to be even slower. So here's predictive radar taking a look at the overnight through tomorrow morning. A few spotty showers moving across the area. That may help to disrupt the fog as well, as we'll continue to see upper level disturbances riding across the area, then a few showers into the afternoon, but we'll go with rain chance no higher than about 30%, and then the clouds stay with us again. Futurecast showing much the same. Mild conditions through tomorrow morning, foggy conditions, and then mostly cloudy skies. We get into the low to mid 70s for sure. Few breaks in the clouds in the afternoon, then the fog tries to come back in tomorrow night, but it's going to get a little bit breezier. The pressure gradient's going to be thickening up a little bit as we head into Wednesday, and that means it will be breezy, and temperatures Wednesday pushing the mid to upper 70s. Here's the European model showing much the same. Here comes the cold front we're talking about. Showers late Thursday, chilly for Friday, temperatures holding in the 40s, so we're back to a winter scenario. Here's Saturday. Again, we start to warm up a little bit back into the 50s, and by Sunday we get a warm front. Guaranteed we'll get in the 60s, but we may even approach the 70s again for Sunday afternoon. So mild, humid night ahead, a few showers out there, dense fog advisory through tomorrow morning. Normal low is 44. We'll beat that by 22 degrees tonight. Normal high this time of year, 63. We'll get up to 76 tomorrow. Few showers after that morning fog, mostly cloudy skies, but a few intervals of sun out there to warm us back up. And we are going to get dangerously close to 80 on Wednesday. Very hard to do this time of year, but we're going to get close Wednesday, maybe Thursday also. And then sharply cooler as we head into Friday. Back out with the coats and the sniffles and everything else as we go into the weekend, and by Sunday afternoon I think we get back into the lower 70s. So there'll be another cool front next Tuesday, so up and down temperatures, but that's the way it goes in February.
It sure does. Thank you, Rob.